Hello guys, welcome to PaperVideo. My name is Sumit and today's topic is something interesting. It's about how to make money on YouTube without being on camera. Yes, you heard that right. You can now make money on YouTube without being on camera. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can earn money without shooting any videos and without being on camera. So, right now on YouTube, there are tons of videos across these different categories such as sports, football, basketball, cat and dog videos, computer gaming videos, compilation videos, whatever it is. If you were to look at these channels, you will notice that there are tons of channels out there with millions of views where the person behind the channel is not on camera. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload such similar type of videos without being on camera, how to optimize those videos, and how to make money through them in 5 simple steps. So, let's get started. So step 1 is picking a niche. You need to make sure to pick a niche or a theme for your channel. You need to understand what type of audience are you looking for. For example, if you want to make gaming videos, your audience would be people who are into gaming. Or if you want to make football compilations, your audience would be someone who are interested in watching football. So it is very important to know who your target audience is. So step 2 is keyword research within your niche. Now you need to look out for what people are searching in your niche. To do this, you can use the YouTube search tool, or there are many other ways too. So let's take an example. If my niche is to make videos and compilations of cats and dogs, and I have to find what people are looking for in this particular niche, what I'll do is I'll do a keyword research on YouTube search. For example, if I write cat and dogs in search bar, you can see the recommended searches. These are the keywords that people are searching on YouTube related to my niche of cats and dogs. This is how you can experiment and try to do your keyword research on YouTube, which will help you guys with the type of content that you have to make based on the targeted keywords. So step 3 is how to produce videos the right way. So how do you produce these videos without infringing copyright laws? What's the right way to create videos without getting copyright claim? So let's go back to YouTube search bar. What you have to do is to filter your search to Creative Commons. This part is crucial to make sure you don't infringe any copyright laws. So, Creative Commons means owners of the videos have given right to people to share, use, and build upon a work that they have created. So, if you use these videos in your compilations, your videos would be eligible for monetization. Another way you can use other content creators' videos is to ask creators for permission to use their videos on your channel. This will give you the rights to upload their content in the videos, be it compilations, be it reviews, etc. And hence you would be able to run ads on your videos once you have the permission from the creators to use them. So step 4 is optimization. Now that you have produced the video, you have to optimize it in a proper way that matches the YouTube algorithm. You have to focus on your title, your description, your tags, and most importantly, your thumbnail. This will help YouTube to recognize your video and to push the video to relevant audience in recommendations. So you have to make sure to optimize your videos if you want a higher reach on YouTube. Step 5 is monetization. So how do you monetize your videos? First option would be the default YouTube ads. According to the YouTube threshold, you need a minimum of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers on your channel in the last 12 months to turn on monetization on your channel. Another way you can earn money is through sponsors. So once you have reached a consistent amount of views on your channel, sponsors will pay you to promote their products on your channel. This would be an extra incentive to your earning in addition to the default YouTube ads. So these were the 5 simple steps that you can apply if you want to make money on YouTube without being on camera. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Sumit signing off.